G'day and welcome back. And as you might have seen in the last unboxing video, the taillights arrived. So I'll put them on, and now we're waiting for the headlights. And they should be coming with any luck. But we've got the taillights thanks to Mark scale models. These are reproductions. So they didn't, the locating peg doesn't go all the way into the body. Well, not far enough that will allow you to weld them in position like I welded the windscreen, which is how it would have originally been done. So I've used super glue to locate them, but that's all right. At least we could get them. So it's back to waiting, which is the most important skill for restoring old slot cars. Waiting. That's the #1 skill. And I'll see you in the next video.